Okay, this week we're going to look at propaganda in the context of public education. First thing, we'll look at the role of the Heartland Institute in climate change education. And then we'll talk about Greta Thunberg and debate which is more influential, climate change education or climate change activism. The specific content of American history textbooks has long been contentious. When you listen to a podcast interview with James Loewen, author of the best-selling book Lies My Teacher Told Me, you'll understand how it is he came to recognize the biases of American history textbooks. Then you'll get to read about a unique approach to reconciling different perspectives about history in this fascinating article called The Other Side of the Story, where we see Israeli and Palestinian teachers using two side-by-side histories to illustrate how our different points of view about history shape our cultural identity. Learning through asking questions is perhaps the most powerful, mind-expanding tool we have for lifelong learning. For Flipgrid video chat number 5, you're talking about the inquiry project that's capturing your imagination. Tell us what captures your interest in the topic that you're investigating, and what are you going to do as you try to learn more. Finally, an optional activity for extra credit. Some of you really liked producing propaganda, and boy, there's a juicy topic at hand that really could benefit from some positive propaganda. Tackle this project and I'll be thrilled to distribute it to many, many people who care about this topic. As you finish this week, you'll be reflecting on this important question: what is the difference between education and indoctrination? Have fun with COM 416 this week. Thanks for being part of this class. I'm Renee Hobbs, University of Rhode Island, and this is COM 416.